Hi, hope you're doing well. Take a look at this. This is a satellite at the bottom of the ocean near Point Nemo.
My spaceship. The one you heard in the start was Yes, It's Conspiracy, and they have found a satellite deep down in the sea. We have to look into that one. And then we have the pride of New Zealand, John Bailey, who have released some new videos. Let's start this dumpster fire.
Take a look at this. This is a satellite at the bottom of the ocean near Point Nemo. Now, Point Nemo, I just came across this today myself. I wasn't aware this was even there. There's a spacecraft graveyard. So all the fake spacecrafts like the Mir space station and a lot of these other fake spacecrafts that we're told about are ditched and sent into the middle of the South Pacific Ocean, the furthest place from any inhabited area. And look at this. This is a photograph of a satellite that, of course, came into Earth orbit at like 17,000 miles an hour and crashed into the ocean and didn't even dent its dish. It's at the bottom and it's becoming part of the ecosystem now.
So according to Yes, It's a Conspiracy, this is a satellite found in the South Pacific Ocean. Let's do an image search on that one and see what we can find. This looks to be the same. So let's have a closer look on the article where I found this image. So this so-called satellite was in reality a F-8 engine from Apollo 11, and it was found in the Atlantic Ocean by an expedition that Jeff Bezos was founding. So not a satellite and in the wrong sea. As usual, a flat earther that don't do any own research at all. Let's move on to John Bailey and some of his new videos that he have put out after I made my recent videos about his claims. I will have a look on 3 of John Bailey's latest videos. This one is called 7 Miles, and as you see, it's a ship again. And here we have a sign, it's the same beach as he was on earlier, so this one will be easy. So he claims 7 miles to the ship. This is the beach, he have been here in previous videos. I will link the previous debunks I made of him in the description. This sign tells us that this Marengi Bay Beach, and here you have it on Google Maps. In previous videos I have located his position to be somewhere here, and the sign is located here. He is located here and filming in this direction. This blue area between the green and the blue buoys are the fairway, so somewhere the ship must be. We see the side of the ship, so it must be somewhere here, in the middle of the circle. Let's measure the distance. So the real distance is 3.5 nautical miles, which corresponds to about 4 miles. So once again, John Bailey have the wrong distances. And he have also published this video with the title 16.6 feet is missing here. And you soon will see that he is on the exact same location as in the previous video. So let's measure the distance. 4.17 nautical miles, and that corresponds to 4.79 miles. With 13 feet observer height, hidden without refraction would be 0.08 feet. And with standard refraction 0 feet would be hidden. And the next video he have found 2 ships, and the title on this video is 10 miles 30 feet ASL. I assume he's on the same beach, but it's make no big difference. But the angles to the islands that you see in the background correspond with the same beach. So let's have a look where this ship must be and the distance. The distance to the ships are roughly 5.73 nautical miles or 6.59 miles. How do you know that the ships are out there? This is the fairway out of Oakland, and 10 miles, then you are at the islands in the background in the video. As usual, there we had 2 fools, 2 flat earth fools that don't check any facts at all. Typical flat earthers. Thank you everybody helping me helping Ukraine. As you know, revenues from the channel goes for buying drones, and if you donate on PayPal, I pay for kamikaze drones. Thank you very much. Your help is very important. That was all I had for you this time. Hope you liked it. I will be back soon. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.